Okay, this is the Crosship hitch mounted deer hoist. I just got this, I ordered it yesterday on Amazon, about $180 delivered. Anyway, we're going to put this together, see how it works. I can usually pick a deer up, especially these small, South Texas and hill country deer. They're not that big. And but as I get older, and sometimes I do get lucky and I'm able to shoot a axis deer or something like that, I need a way, if I'm by myself, to get into the back of the truck so I can get to the processor or wherever I'm going to take it. And this seemed like the most sensible solution. So anyway, we'll get this unboxed and put together, and we'll see how it works. Sort of sloppy, not real impressed with the packing. But then again, this is probably thrown together in a sweatshop in China somewhere or something like that. Anyway, because it is what it is, it's not delicate or, electronics or anything. So, cost benefit, they don't need to pack it as neatly. So the good news is it'll be easy to get out of here and and into pieces that I can put together and then discard the cardboard in the trash or recycling here this week. Anyway, here we go. Here it is laid out in the back of my truck. All the cardboard's been put into recycling. It's got some pretty simple instructions here, about what you would expect from a product like this from where it's from. The good news is most of it comes or is assembled and disassembled with these pins here, so that there's not a lot of nuts and bolts to take things apart. The question is going to be, how much assembly do I do before I get it out to go hunting? Obviously I can't put it completely together, because then you can't drive around with this thing in the back like that. So when we put it together, that'll tell me how much I have to disassemble to reasonably carry it to where I'm hunting and back, and hopefully use it for a deer. Okay, got everything laid out here. Instructions are pretty simple. Yeah, not very difficult at all. Question is, how much do I take it apart to travel with it and all that. But for right now, we're just going to put it all together, get it working, then I'll figure out the travel configuration after that. Step 1, attach the winch handle. Probably not the best tool, but this will work. And we'll leave that loose for now. There goes our hourly fender bender on I-35. We're going to have to move this to the bed of the truck. I decided I really don't need the platform to lift anything, because most of the deer I get, I just hoist up by the neck and into the back of the truck anyway, so we're going to leave that part off, make it a lot simpler. This is the extension that really gives it support. This goes to the ground, kind of takes the load off the hitch. Let's put that right here, fully adjustable. Okay, ready to try it out. not going to put the pin into the hitch just at this moment. We're just trying it out, make sure it fits. Everything looks good. Question is, was the tailgate open? Ooh, that was close. Pick up our gear, then swivel it around, put it back in the truck. Perfect. Now all I need is a deer.